Hello everyone, my name is Stefan, and today I want to solve the maximum units on a trunk. In this question, we need to put as much as the box into according to our trunk size, and then we need to choose the bigger box, so then our capacity will be larger. Okay, and first we need to use because this is the list, so we can use the sort function, and this sort function can make sure our box size is from biggest to the smallest, because we want to put the max capacity, so we choose the biggest box and from the left side to the right side. Then that means we will pick the bigger box first, and here we use the key equal to lambda. It's the one sorting algorithm lambda, and the time capacity is the n log n, and then we want descending, so we give the x comma and then x. That's the mean our input array, we choose the second one instead of the 0, so it will rearrange this list from the big to the small. And then we can initial available capacity is 0, and then according to the capacity we to decide how much we can put into that, and we return to capacity, and then here if capacity or not, here we use the trunk size. If the trunk size bigger than our box, that means we still can put something inside. Oh, by the way, we use the for loop here, and in our for loop box types here, and then we have the one is the unit, the other is box. So if the trunk size is bigger than box, that means we can put all of them into our trunk, so the capacity will plus equal to plus times unit, and then our trunk size will be minus the box number, and else we can break, and our complexity can plus equal the trunk size, which is how much we left, and times the current unit. Because this trunk is spatial, it doesn't limit the box units, it just limit the number of the box. So we need to change these two variables according how many we left. And here don't forget comma.那这题的话是能放进最多的体积的货车。那在这一题当中呢，首先我们用这个 sort 将我们的 box由大到小排列， 那我们先把大的装进去，最后再装小的。那所以我们要 initial capacity 去计算我们最后装进了多少。那这样货车比较特别的是，它不需要计算它的总体积，只需要我们可以装几个 box。所以我们选大的先放进去，然后等大的都装完的时候，每个大的装完，每装一个我们就把一个 box 里面都剪掉。那剩下的空间我们就把还有目前的 unit 是几号，我们就把它们装进去。这样就是我们 total 可以装的总容量。